Hey guys, this is Phil in Florence. I'm Phil and I'm in Florence, South Carolina. Guess what? This is not a cook video, it's a notification video. I want to notify you, my faithful watchers, that I'll be on the hot seat taking questions on a live stream, and that'll be located over at the Cooking with CJ YouTube channel. So I'm asking each one of you this Thursday night at 9 p.m. Eastern time to come on over and join us. It's just going to be a lot of fun where they ask me questions. They probe into my past, present, and future. They ask me questions like how I got started in this, and what's your favorite thing to cook, and all those type things. Some real good questions, informative, educational, past, present, and future, and maybe a few stupid questions to see if I'm stupid enough to answer. It's just where we go and have a lot of fun every Thursday night over at Cooking with CJ and see who he's got on the hot seat that week, so we can learn more about them. It was a grand idea that one of the fellow cooks came up with a year and a half, 2 years ago, whenever it was, but it's being held now over at the Cooking with CJ channel on YouTube. And the way you get to watch is to go to Cooking with CJ and hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell beside it, and you'll be notified whenever there's a new upload. So I'll see you, my faithful viewers, over at the hot seat this coming Thursday night. So I might even drag Jiff and Tiff onto the set in front of the camera for a few minutes. We'll pick at them a little bit. When I say Jiff, I mean my wife Janet in Florence, so we call her Jiff. Of course, Toby is Tiff. He's our dog, our Jack Russell. He's in just about every video. He's wandering around, zooming in and out. But make it your business to be with us Thursday night, and we'll have a lot of fun, and they'll make fun of me, I'm sure, and find out things about me, where I come from, and what I'm all about. It's hot out here. You saw me wiping sweat like I usually do. I'm down in the south, and it's already over 100 degrees as I'm sitting here right now. I'll see you Thursday night. Remember, 9 o'clock Eastern time, 6 o'clock Pacific time. I guess I got that right, but if you just go to Cooking with CJ and hit the subscribe and the bell, you'll be notified and you'll be there right on time. And you can even ask some questions yourself if you want to, or you can just sit back in the quiet and in the shadows and nobody will know you're there. But all right, no cooking today, only a notification. So I'll see you. Phil in Florence. Toby, come here.